Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch UEFA Conference League in Canada. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar. Now, on the search bar, we're going to search for DAZN space UEFA space Conference League and then click on enter. Once you do that, just click on the first link right here, and then you will now be redirected into their website. So what we're going to do next is to, of course, sign in their platform if we already have an account. However, if we don't have an account yet, we're going to click on sign up now. And then in this part, we'll just have to choose our preferred subscription. So let's say, for example, we want to use this. So click on get started and then click continue with standard. After that, choose the one that you prefer, but I will just leave it as it is and then click on continue. And then right here, you can continue with your email, your Google, and a bunch more options right here. So I'm going to continue with my email. So I'm going to put my email and then click on continue. And then of course, put my first name, last name, and then of course, the password. And then once you do that, we're going to click on continue. And then in this part, you will now be redirected into their payment channels. So you'll just have to choose the one that you prefer. So if you want to pay through credit card, click on it and then put your postal code and then click verify postal code. And then just put your card number right here. And then of course, once you do that, just click on pay now. And then once you click on pay now and if you have successfully availed their subscription, you should now be able to watch Conference League inside the DAZN. So all you have to do is to search for it again, DAZN Conference League. And then just click on it once again. And then just make sure that you are logged in into your account, which is right here on the upper right of the screen. And then if you scroll down, you will now be able to watch it in this part. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.